So welcome students. In this question you are given that A and B are each randomly selecting a number from 1 to 25 and they win if both select the same number. And what is the probability that they do not win? That means what is the probability that they do not select the same number? So let us first find the probability that the number chosen by A is same as the number chosen by B. So how do you find the probability? So you have two numbers, denominator number by numerator number. So the denominator denotes the sample space, right? So if A is selecting a number, he can select any one of the 25 numbers and B can select any one of the 25 numbers. So in how many ways can A and B select one number each? So 25 times 25. So there are 625 different ways in which they can select one number each. And what is the favorable outcome that I want? I want both the numbers to be same. So in how many ways can both the numbers be same? So they can be same in 25 ways, right? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, so on up to 25, 25. In 25 ways they can be same. So the probability that A is equal to B is equal to 25. So what is the probability that A is not equal to B? That is 1 minus 1 by 25. That is 24 by 25. Thank you.